Rainforest, the amazing world within.
We are in the midst of one of the oldest forests in the world, the Antarctic Beech Forest of Australia. A forest that forms part of Australia's famous Lamington National Park in southeastern Queensland. The flow increases to a virtual torrent as the streams tumble noisily over waterfalls and rapids that are a spectacular feature of Lamington National Park.
This documentary sold to over 35 countries. The Rainforests of Australia, isolated for 25 million years, protects its own unique fauna. The Rufous Scrub Bird filmed for the first time, and other rare rainforest birds and animals. Naturalist photographer Glenn Trelfo has spent years seeking these rare creatures, learning their habits, and finally capturing them on film. You'll be spellbound as you observe rare footage of the beautiful Rose Crowned Pigeon, the elusive catbird, rainforest possums and pademelons, which are small kangaroos, beautifully filmed and explained.